yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Are you ready to play bingo? Not just any bingo, December yarn bingo. I'm so excited about this card and I can't wait to see everyone's creations and get inspired for projects to make for next December. So I'm going to go over the card with you guys, and it's on my screen over here, so I'm going to be looking that direction to read the cards. And I want to say, first and foremost, this is just for fun. It's not really a big competition. It's just fun. And you can bingo, you know, if you black out, you bingo 12 times. You can bingo once, as many times as you want. It's just for fun. And I want to say that this is not to dictate your projects for December. It is, if your projects fit a square, then you get to mark off a square. If they don't worry about it. But most any project will fit a square because finish a whelp is on here 5 times. 5 times, got that. Oh, I got 5. And so if you, you know, any project you're working on will count as a whelp, no matter what it is. So say if you finish a baby sweater, it's finish a whelp. So anyway, just if your project fits the square, great. If it doesn't. But today, this month's video, squares are kind of geared towards Christmas. I mean, they all kind of Christmas themed. And, you know, if you don't celebrate Christmas and you want to just mark that with a different holiday or a different celebration, say it could be a birthday celebration or, you know, a different holiday, that is perfectly fine. You do not have to ask permission to do that. Just say whenever you share your projects in our group. We do have a bingo group. The link will be below, and also the link to the card will be below. In the bingo group, we share pictures of our projects and tell about our projects and such, pictures of our card that we've marked off the squares, and so it's just great to see everyone's work and how they're coming along and get inspired and encourage one another. So I encourage you to join up, stop by, see what's going on. All right, so I'm going to go over the squares real quick. Create a Christmas gift. I know that we've all got some kind of Christmas gift going on that we're trying to get finished up, so that would be easy to mark off, most likely. Create 3 Christmas ornaments. Okay, finish a whelp. Create an elf. Work on a blanket project. We've all been working on blankets all year long, so that one has stayed permanent throughout the year, and so eventually we're going to finish these blankets. The next row is finish a whelp. Create a Christmas hand towel. Or it could be a hand towel for the bathroom, a hand towel to hang on your oven door, anything like that. Create soap sacks. I didn't say a certain amount. Just whatever, you know, 1, 2, 3, something like that. Create a Christmas hat. Finish up a Christmas gift you've been working on. Create a Santa, like a Santa doll, Santa toy, a Santa decoration, something to sit around. Create a Christmas pillow. That could be anything. Free space, yay! Finish a whelp. Create a gingerbread boy or girl. And that can be any size. Create a Christmas garland. Finish a whelp. Create a large Christmas stocking. Work on a Christmas project. Create 3 candy cane ornaments. Create a snowman ornament. Create a table arrangement. That could be something to go on your dining room table, a console table by your front door, just an end table by your couch, or anything like that. Just some kind of something to sit on a table. Create a Christmas cup cozy, and then you could give it as a gift. Create a Christmas gnome. I've seen some of the cutest gnomes being posted on Facebook, and I would love to see what you come up with. And the last one is finish a whelp. And I do want to go back and say that I had put on there create soap sacks. Now, if you go ahead and, you know, get some good smelling soap and put in those, they would make great last minute gifts. or even to add to a gift you're already giving, or to, instead of a bow on a gift, you could just put a soap sack on there with a piece of soap in there that smells really good. So anyway, I hope you're as excited about December as I am. Lots of things coming up, and you can check out the other videos to find out what else is going on Llama Mama Kayla's Yarn Tube. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all again very soon.